Oh no! Boo! Boo! Oh my! What? Is that his spirit? What the shit? The spirit's gonna kill him! No! 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 I already sense it. It's gonna happen. No! 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 Don't die! What's going on? Yeah! I turned the sound down a little, and hopefully it did not shoot, or I would cry. Come on! Go, dog, go! Run! Run! How long do I have to wait for this? It's 15! Yay! This is the last level. Oh no. Oh god, no. What's gonna happen? Oh, don't tell me he's gonna start... Oh god, he's getting slow. He's getting really slow. Come on, man. You can make it. Go. Go. Oh god, no, he's not moving. No. I'm gonna drink something. I will drink this and nothing will move. Or I will cry. Is he actually gonna get to the end, or is something gonna happen? Oh god! Go! Go! He's not moving! He isn't moving. I'm hungry. Yeah, you know what? If there's a screamer, I think I'll shit myself. Oh, great. And the music stopped. That just makes it all better. Great, now it's boring. It's even more boring. Oh, wait, he's moving. Yeah! Woo! Woo! Yay, we're done. That was boring. You know what that means now? Boom! Headshot! Boom! That's what you get, you son of a bitch. You know, I should just get the thingamajig for the thingamajig and fucking boom headshot. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. Fucking fucker. Fucking dog, die. Well, that took too long. Oh, look whose birthday it is today. Anyways, not mine. Leggy's.